If you're a Conway homeowner looking to reduce energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and boost your home's resale value, replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient options is a smart move. With Conway's warm summers, humid climate, and occasional cold snaps, investing in the right windows can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and savings. In this guide, we'll walk you through the best energy-efficient window replacement options for Conway residents and how they benefit your home year-round. Why energy efficiency matters in Conway. Conway's fluctuating climate makes energy efficiency a top priority. Traditional windows, especially single-pane or poorly sealed ones, are notorious for letting conditioned air escape and outside air seep in. This causes your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Energy-efficient windows help combat this by improving insulation, blocking heat transfer, and reducing drafts. The result? Lower utility costs and a more comfortable indoor environment, especially during Arkansas's hot, humid summers. Top window frame materials for efficiency: vinyl windows. Vinyl is one of the most popular choices for energy efficiency. These frames are filled with insulation and provide excellent thermal resistance. They are low maintenance, moisture resistant, and typically the most affordable energy efficient option. Pros: cost effective, excellent insulation, no painting or staining required. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass frames are incredibly durable and offer outstanding energy performance. They expand and contract less than other materials, ensuring a tight seal year-round. Pros: long lifespan, great for extreme temperature fluctuations, low maintenance. Wood-clad windows. Wood on the inside and a protective exterior cladding, often aluminum or vinyl, makes these windows both energy efficient and beautiful. They're ideal for homeowners wanting the charm of wood without the constant upkeep. Pros: natural insulation from wood, aesthetic appeal, exterior durability. Glass technologies that cut energy loss. Low emissivity. Glass low E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light in, which is perfect for Conway's sunny climate. These coatings help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple panes. Multi-pane windows are filled with inert gases like argon or krypton, which reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. Double-pane windows are usually sufficient for most homes, but triple-pane windows offer superior performance if your budget allows. Energy Star certification. What to look for when choosing new windows. Always look for the Energy Star label. These products meet strict guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency for energy efficiency. In Conway's climate zone, Energy Star windows reduce energy bills by an average of 12% compared to non-certified windows. Pay attention to the following ratings. U factor measures heat loss. Lower values mean better insulation. Solar heat gain coefficient SHGC measures how well the window blocks heat from sunlight. Lower SHGC is better for hot climates like Conway. Visible transmittance, VT, indicates how much visible light passes through. Higher VT allows more natural light, reducing lighting costs. Installation quality is just as important. Even the best windows will underperform if poorly installed. Professional installation ensures a proper fit, tight seals, and long-term energy savings. Choose a licensed, experienced contractor familiar with Conway's local codes and climate challenges. Added incentives for Conway residents. Some local utility providers and state programs offer rebates or incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Additionally, installing energy-efficient windows may qualify you for federal tax credits, reducing your upfront investment. Final thought for Conway residents: upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a long-term investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and home value. Whether you opt for insulated vinyl, durable fiberglass, or high-performance glass packages, there's an option to fit every budget and home style. When you're ready to make the switch, prioritize Energy Star rated windows, consult with a local expert, and enjoy the year-round benefits of an energy-smart home.